Hello, I'm Dr. Rebecca Ellis, and I'll be doing this lightning talk on autistic experiences of menstruation, a qualitative systematic review. This review is part of a larger study, Autism from Menstruation to Menopause. The larger study is longitudinal, autistic-led, based at Swansea University and funded by the Wellcome Trust. It is looking at experiences of AFAB autistic people in their reproductive health care across the lifespan, including periods, pregnancy, and menopause. This systematic review was looking for qualitative data from autistic people and those who support them with regards to menstruation specifically. In the final review, the study included 12 sources which met the inclusion criteria. Analysis generated 6 main themes: education and skill development, preparation, personal awareness of puberty-related changes, management, support, and impact of bleeding. Another thing we noted was there was discrepancy in the topics which were brought up, depending on the stakeholder contributing the data. For example, parents and professionals focused on their child working towards independence, having open and frequent communication with them and tailored support, whereas autistic participants spoke about practical and emotional support from their families, alongside autism-specific experiences such as increased meltdowns. There are clear differences in the priorities of parents, professionals, and autistic people when it comes to discussing menstruation, which is one of the key discussion points that we made. It's important because priorities influence future research undertaken and any support developed. In terms of other discussion points, we noted parents and professionals' understanding is mostly based on external factors, things that they can see, rather than internal experiences. We also found that autistic experiences are often compared to neurotypical standards and expectations. We found there was limited discussion around tailored support. And we found that autistic children have less access to the hidden curriculum, which is the cultural, social, and academic messages communicated between learners, which is why normalising period pain with autistic children and adolescents, for example, is particularly dangerous because they might have less information to compare this to. There was very little focus as to how professionals and parents encourage decision-making in autistic people. Not to say that they don't, just that it wasn't discussed explicitly in the sources that we included. So therefore, in terms of recommendations, we think all stakeholders should have their priorities attended to through tailored neurodiversity affirming support. We should detail how we foster autonomy in the research literature in order to encourage good practice, and future research may wish to focus on the hidden curriculum and autism-specific experiences during menstruation, especially those which are internal. Thanks very much. Here are our details if you would like to stay in touch.